Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I've created this cute little book, this time using Life is Beautiful, designed by Lori Whitlock from Echo Park. Super cute, cut apart pages here, and a cardstock sticker sheet. We've got 4x4s, 3x4s, and 4x6s. And I just love this new addition here. I just decided to kind of use a little bit of an acetate band coming through the back there, and a fun little magnetic closure. And right here I layered up some of those little pieces I cut out of one of the cut apart pieces, and then kind of fussy cut around that and layered it up. I had fun with my journaling pen, added a couple little circles and some journaling lines around this nice solid white cardstock piece here, and kind of created like a scrapbook layout right here on the front. And then right here on the spine, just a simple cute yellow design paper there. And then right here on the back, an easy solid white cardstock piece with some more journaling. And I did use a wooden stamp here from Hobby Lobby. I thought the butterfly went with the theme really well to kind of indicate where the picture would go. And so I kind of played around with that. So super cute. I love this. It came together so quick. And right here, I actually have the class already available, and I'll leave the class info down in the description for you. So right here, straight off the bat, you'll see we've got some cute little acetate additions here. So I kind of bounced this texture around the book here, and love this cute little acetate pocket. I've got a couple vertical style 4x6 little photo mats right here that you can, no cropping necessary here. So 4x6s the entire way through on this entire book. So super fun. I even have like a cute little cut apart from the cut aparts page there. And then there's that acetate little pocket with the faux belly band. You could make that belly band real if you wanted. I did some doodling around this. And then you can add a picture on the back if you wanted. Got a nice little cloud cover there happening. Here's a vertical style 4x6 waterfall. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way so you can see. Beautiful. Just kind of push the book over there a little bit. Again, a wooden rubber mount stamp here I used, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's like a cute little doodled heart. So it kind of gives that same little effect throughout the book. And those all close back up. And they stay nice and tucked in with these little photo mats that go inside to keep the little flaps from moving around. So I've got like a 1/3 acetate page here and a nice vertical style for a nice photo right here, right when you open the book. Cute little bike sticker. I just backed it on some baby powder and kind of stuck it on there. Again, it is open here, so the picture can slide under those little elements. And then we've got this really fun magnetic scenario that just kind of unflaps. So I had a lot of fun with this. And it's just like this super simple way of cascading these flaps over top of each other, and a ton of 4x6 landscape style going on right here. So a cute little typewriter there and a little jar of flowers. And then you open it up. You can even add some more pictures here or some more journaling if you wanted. So this book holds about 30 pictures, I believe. All uncropped 4x6s. Super easy and super fun. Got this cute little pot here on the very back of that other sticker. As you can see, it's kind of peeking on the other side. So It's a Beautiful Day was actually a cut apart, and then I mounted it on white cardstock and then stuck that on my base flap. So I've got a piece there. And then this flips up, another little sticker element. All these are totally open so that we can stick a picture behind. And I decided to kind of do a different little layering style here. I've got a lot of the same image happening for about 5 flaps in a row. And I thought that was kind of different. Usually I come back and add a little strip in here. You could do that if you want. And if you've never taken a class with me before, I'll leave a free one up here for you to take, and you can see if it's something you can learn from. Also, I have another coupon down there to get 25% off your first subscription, and you gain access to every single one of the classes that I've ever created. So that's about 80 right now. All this folds back up beautifully, and you can add as many or as few of these little inserts as you'd like into your book. And it was so fun to make. It came together so quick. And I can't wait to see you over there. Hope you have a good day. See you next time.